Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to teach you how to make no-cook homemade Play-Doh. This recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and about 2 cups of boiling water. We'll start with 1 cup of boiling water. Now when doing this, you want to make sure that your kids are not around, or you use lukewarm water, not boiling water. And you want to put some of the drops of the food coloring inside of this water first. Okay, to this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of flour. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and now we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna keep adding water so it can get the consistency that we're looking for. You can either add more water or more flour. Now to this, we're going to add ½ cup of salt. Until it's not sticky anymore and it has the consistency that you want. For example, this is flexible and it's not sticky. You see, there's nothing getting in my hands or my rings or anything. So this is what you're looking for. You don't want drier than this, because then remember, your children are going to be playing with this a lot and it's going to become drier, but this is going to be even becoming more flexible through time. It's great. Look, what you also could do is to do the dough and then divide it and have the coloring on one side, on one portion, and then another color on the other portion. I asked Benjamin if he wanted red or blue or another Play-Doh, and he said he wanted blue Play-Doh. So this is sort of blue. You see, it's not sticky at all. And it's wonderful. These will last you for months. You see, it's very flexible, and again, it's not sticky. And it's great for toddlers because they tend to put things in their mouth. So if they put this in their mouth, it's fine. I mean, it's not like they put Play-Doh in their mouth. A great recipe because Benjamin's teachers told me that it lasts forever. And that's why I wanted to share the recipe with you. I hope you like this recipe. I'll link it in the description below so you can take a look. Remember, just keep adding either water or flour to get the consistency that you want. and have fun. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you in the next one. Bye.